আমি তোমাকে না ভালোবাসি, ওকে? হ্যালো
Hi, how are you?
শাবাবু। হ্যালো, হাউ আর ইউ? আই এম ফাইন, এন্ড ইউ?
I'm also fine. Your name is Simran.
Yeah, my name is Simran.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm in Mumbai, in India.
Wait. You're from India.
Yeah, I love my India.
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh
Okay.
and I love my Bangladesh. Okay?
You are Bangladeshi.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Nice.
Okay. You look like European. I thought you are from Europe.
I am.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
And you look like
What?
you look like a Negro, African.
Negro. Okay, but people have 2 feet rocket. Do you know that? You told me that I look like Euro people, right?
Negro, African,
African, okay.
African man.
But
This.
African people have 2 feet rocket. Do you know that?
म्हणजे? No, I don't know.
Okay. So why you said that? Hey Simran, how was your day?
Hey, Shabu. Great day, also great.
Also
Every
great.
day is great.
Can you teach me some? I can speak some Hindi. Do you wanna hear that? Yeah.
You speak with me Hindi.
Yeah.
Then you speak with me. Okay. Speak.
मैं तुमसे
Can you speak?
Okay, listen. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ.
আমি তোমাকে না ভালোবাসি, okay?